I'm Allison Powell. I'm a vegan ultra runner, and I am going to show you everything I eat in one day with a long run.
Hey guys, my name's Trevor. I'm going to show you what I eat today as a vegan martial artist.
For breakfast, I made peanut butter toast with blackberries. Before my run, I'll usually eat half a banana, a spoonful of peanut butter, so I have energy to get me started. And on my long runs, I'll bring Tailwind, which is already vegan and gluten-free endurance fuel, vegan gel, and usually a Luna bar. When I get back from my run, I love to make a protein shake so I can get some quick calories, some protein, and I'm usually pretty tired, so I'll just mix that up in some water and drink it right away. On my long run days, like today, I'll be going about 15 miles. So I'm pretty hungry when I get back, and my typical breakfast is at least 3 slices of toast with lots and lots of peanut butter, extra calories, extra protein, extra fat. It's really filling and delicious, and I love topping it off with fresh berries. I try and eat pretty much whole foods, few ingredients, and this is a really great way to add some sweetness to your morning, and I totally love it.
On mornings I'm not fasting. I like to start the day off with the oat smoothie bowl. It's an easy way to get in a lot of nutrients at one time. Put some fruit and almond milk in the smoothie. If the fruit is frozen, there's no need to add any ice. Blend it up. Get a small pot and bring some plant milk of your choice and some organic oats to a boil. After you let it cool, add the smoothie, add some fresh fruit on top, and you have an extremely tasty and filling breakfast. It's going to satiate you for the rest of the day. Favorite high protein, quick and easy meal: 2 cans of organic beans of your choice, simmered in medium heat for around 5 minutes. Just add your favorite seasonings to spice it up, making sure I reach my average of 160 grams per day of protein.
For lunch, I am making a really big salad with lots of beans and veggies. All you need to do is grab some fresh greens, some roasted red pepper, all nice and chopped up. I love adding cranberries to salad. It's a really good sweetness. Some red onion for some spicy flavor, and chickpeas, garbanzo beans are a great source of protein. Topping it off with some crumbled blue corn chips. This vegan goddess dressing is absolutely delicious and perfect, especially on a day when I'm feeling a little bit lazy and hungry and just want to eat right away. Usually around 3 or 4 o'clock, I will get hungry again, and I love making this really quick, easy vegan hot chocolate. I put in a cup of milk in the microwave for 1 minute, add some cocoa powder, microwave it again for 1 minute. I really like the Silk Ultra Milk. It does have a lot of calories and a lot of protein, so it's really filling in the afternoon, and I'll usually pair that with some fruit, maybe an apple.
Big salads are amazing. Try to get as many colors in there as possible. Let's dive into the ingredients. First, I get a large bowl, fill it with some ice and add some water. This is to cleanse the kale leaves. I'm going to use some apple cider vinegar and then rinse the leaves off with some water. Once I cut the stems off and cut the leaves to smaller pieces, I'm soaking them in water to cleanse the greens and also to rehydrate them. In the salad today, I used kale leaves, rainbow carrots, avocado, and gala apple, along with nutritional yeast. I put balsamic vinaigrette or whatever dressing I'm feeling that day, and then I'm ready to crush that salad. Loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, protein, and almost everything that's essential daily.
For dinner, I made a mix of veggies with rice and tofu. I'm gonna roast some cauliflower and broccoli, add some olive oil, a pre-mixed masala powder. Turmeric is really good. It's an anti-inflammatory, so I really like eating that on the weekends on my longer run days. I'm gonna roast that at 350 for about 30 to 40 minutes. I'm gonna make some quick air-fried tofu to go with that. All I'm doing is dropping it in some whole wheat flour. I did well grease the pan, and I'm gonna put that into the air fryer for just about 15 minutes. So I just added some diced red onion. I'm actually using cast iron, which is really helpful for vegans because it actually adds iron into your food. And add in some mushrooms because I love mushrooms. They have such good flavor. These are just sliced baby bellas. And then I'm adding in some fresh sliced green pepper. I added in some fresh grated ginger, so it has really good flavor and lots of good healing properties for your body. Not a lot of steps. I like to keep it simple. I'm adding some brown rice, topping it with the broccoli, cauliflower, the sauteed veggies, and the air-fried tofu. For dinner, I can eat a giant plate. I'm pretty hungry by the end of the day, and I love just digging in. At night, I pretty much always eat a snack before I go to bed. I'm just burning so many calories as a runner throughout the day that I have to eat something, and you cannot go wrong with some dark chocolate chips and peanuts as a mix. It's the perfect bedtime snack. It's really filling and totally delicious.
Spaghetti is a great meal that's quick but filling for my hard gainers. Very budget friendly. First, bring a large pot to a boil. The next, add my whole wheat spaghetti noodles. And once the noodles are tender, drain the water and add some spaghetti sauce to the noodles. Can't forget the nutritional yeast for that Parmesan cheese-like taste. And definitely essential.